3. What are those brown specks in the shower? All that up the wall. Can you see? Let me zoom in on these little brown specks. Okay, gross. What is that? Your poop? See my poop. Gross, I had a blowout. Another small baby poop explosion. Contained to the shower, luckily, because we don't have a bathtub, so things got a little trickier. But, uh-oh. Are you saying uh-oh? Say uh-oh. I'm soaking wet, you're soaking wet, the bathtub's all poopy, but we did survive it. Any thoughts you'd like to share? Just some smiles. Are you proud of yourself? You pooped through all your clothes and destroyed the bathroom. Yeah, good job.